In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on TradingView with Pepperstone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to tradingview.com. Then from here, hover over where it says products and then click onto super charts. From here, we want to navigate on the bottom of the page and look for an option or a tab called Trading Panel. Click on Open Trading Panel. Now, to make it easier to find Pepperstone, I suggest to maximize this. So click on the panel, maximize panel, and now look for Pepperstone, and it should be near the top. So here it is here, second row down. Then from here it says ready to trade. So sign up and gain access to our suite of trading tools. Execute real trades from the broker of your choice or hone your skills with our paper trading engine. So go ahead and click on join for free. And now I'm going to sign into TradingView if you haven't done so. So make sure to sign in or create an account. Then from here, it's going to reconnect me back to TradingView to connect Pepperstone. Now, it will say Pepperstone, and then go ahead and click on Connect. Or if you don't have an account, you need to make an account. So go ahead and click on Open Account and go through the process to make an account. But if you got one, click on to Connect. Now, this is going to send you over to Secure at Pepperstone, where you need to sign into your account or create a new one, like I am currently in the process of doing so. And then once you're connected, you can place live or demo orders directly from the TradingView chart. And then the trading panel shows your Pepperstone account info, balance margin, positions, order history. Then you can use TradingView's full suite, chart tools, Pine scripts, custom alerts, one-click trading screeners while executing via Pepperstone.